Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Dharma there means the religious sects or duty?
No, dharma is duty. Varnashram dharma. That is also given up. That means the only duty becomes to Krishna consciousness. He said, Sarva Dharman Parityajya. In the beginning he said that Dharma Samasthapanarthaya. Yeah. Juga Juga Samad. Now, he said that I appear to re-establish the principle of religion. So, and at the last stage he said, Sarva Dharman Parityajya. That means the so-called dharmas or religion which is going on in the world, they are not real. The Bhagavad therefore says, Dharma projita koita bhatra. That all kinds of pretending religion is rejected here. Pretending religion, what is that? Pretending is just like gold. Gold is gold. If the gold is in the hand of some Hindu, will it be called Hindu gold? Similarly, religion means obedience to God. So where is Hindu religion, where is Christian religion, where is Muslim religion? God is everywhere. And we are just meant for obeying God. That is one religion, obedience to God. Why they are manufactured? This Hindu religion, Muslim religion, Christian religion, this religion, that. Therefore they are all pretending religion. Real religion is obedience. Dharmant sakshat bhagavatpani. Just like law. Law is made by the state. The law cannot be Hindu law, Muslim law, Christian law, this law, that law. Law is meant for everyone. Obedience to the state. That is law. Simply religion means obedience to God. Then one who has no conception of God, no idea of God, where is religion? There is pretending religion. Therefore in the Bhagavad you will find dharma projita koita bhatra. All pretending type of religion is rejected. And Krishna also says the same thing. Sarva dharman parityajya. You give up all this pretending religion. You simply surrender unto me. That is real religion. What is the use of speculating on pretending religion? That is not religion at all. It's like pretending law. Law cannot be pretending. Law is law, given by the state. Then a religion means the order given by God, that is religion. If you follow, then you are religious. If you don't follow, then you are demon. Make things very simplified. Then it will be appealing to everyone. So this Krishna consciousness movement is meant for making things very simplified. Accept God, accept your position as God's servant, and serve God. That's 3 words. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,